Hey there, planner friends. Welcome back to the channel, Creating with Sarah. So today's video, I have the new Not So Scary Daily Grind Fall Collection. They sent me a couple of things to share with you guys. It releases today, so definitely have your ninja fingers because I feel like this collection is going to sell out fast. So if you guys want to see what they sent me, then keep on watching. So hey there planners, I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here on my planner channel. And today I'm sharing with you this beautiful fall collection. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to share with you what they sent me and what's going to be releasing today. This is just the half of it. So again, make sure you follow them on their social media platforms, especially Instagram. She has shared already the entire collection in her reels, so definitely go over there and check it out. Also in this video, I'm going to share with you quickly the new 40-page budget tracking challenge by the Daily Grind. They also have a live that you can check out that goes over this entire challenge. I think that's super cool, especially if you're new to the Daily Grind. So definitely go check that out, but we'll talk about this towards the end of the video. So I know you guys want to get into this first, so let me go ahead and open everything up and we'll share all the things. So let's go over all the stickers first. So they have 2 sheets that you can get in this Not So Scary release. So you have the fall deco sheet. Look how cute all this fall decor is. It is like the best sticker sheet ever. I mean, you have sweaters, you have caramel apples, you have pumpkins, leaves, scars, everything that you could need to build on your daily page, on a monthly review. So cute. You could actually just get a couple of these and put them in the planner you already have because these are just so cute. These are, I think, a clear matte sticker. Yeah. So they're like a clear matte sticker, this little wagon there with haystacks in it. That's so cute. I'm definitely going to try to go to a pumpkin patch this September, but that's fall deco. And then she has spooky deco. Really cute. Oh my gosh, look at all these poison apples from Disney. You have some cute mugs, some house slippers. You have some Disney elements. Now, if you guys haven't checked out Angie, who is the creator of the Daily Grind, she is a Disney fan, so she loves Disney, and I love that about her because I'm a little Disney crazy myself. So this is super cute. Spooky deco. You can, again, you could just get both. Why not, since you have one spooky, one fall, but you could also buy them individually. Okay, now we have her little sticker kits. Now, these are formatted for the daily planner, which I have mine here to show you because I want to put the new cover on it and everything. So these are formatted for that, but obviously you can definitely try to use these for the planner that you have if you just want the stickers, which are super cute because you have some cute decorative boxes, and I hope you guys can see how cute this is. So this one's called the Halloween Daily Kit, and you have like self-care. So just a little note, the Daily Grind planner is basically geared to goals. So it's like a goal setting planner, but in a daily format, but it also has like reviews, reflection pages in there as well. If you didn't get a chance to check out my unboxing of the summer collection and different daily covers that she offers, definitely go and check that video out first and then come back to this one. But let's get back to these cute stickers. Oh my gosh, look at all these cute little icon stickers down here. And these are paper matte stickers. And it's 2 sheets per sticker kit. And so this one's formatted for her daily pages with the boxes. So you can get a couple if you need. But how cute are these colors? I think they go really well with the covers and divider collections that came out. Okay, so here we have Spooky. Really cute. This pulls in more of the purples and oranges and greens. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then here are your functional boxes. Lastly, we have Pumpkin, which coordinates with the fall deco sheet, and then this one here. This is the fall cover that I chose. So how cute is this? Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cute. Here's a little picture of this cover here, and then here are your fall decorative boxes. Super cute. So you have 3 sticker kit options to choose from. I would definitely just pick them all up because they're such a great price, and I don't think she's going to restock these items. So for this Not So Scary release collection, she has 3 options for you to pick from. So you have this one that is the fall one, and then the other 2 are more of a spooky scene. I think actually one of them, they're in the sticker kits because they match. So this one is the fall one that matches the Mickey, and then here's this one that's the purple and green. It's more of like a Oogie Boogie scene, but this is the cover of that one, and it has the green and purple discs, which are right here with the cool swirl. It gives me definitely Tim Burton vibes. That's why oh my gosh, I love this collection. So I'm excited about ordering this set because I totally wanted the other covers and dividers. And then the other one, it's this cover image right here with Jack the Skeleton on it. So this one's more black and orange and white, and I think the discs are black and white. So recapping, there are 3 new covers, 2 divider tab kits, and then 3 sticker kits, and then they all come with their coordinating disc. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So let me go ahead and show you the one I chose. I chose this one because I think this one's going to be a really, really popular one, especially if you love fall and everything Disney. So this one has the beautiful pumpkin scene on it with all the leaves, and then this one has black on the disc bound, and it's pretty thick here. If you're familiar with her covers, she does have like this metal corner protection here on her covers. And then what's so fun about her covers is that she has like these inserts challenges or creativity challenges, but this one is actually a Not So Scary Halloween movie list. Isn't that cute? That is so clever. And Angie has a dog. I think his name's Carl. He's really, really cute. And so this is him, and I love that she's incorporated into her stickers, I think, in some of them. So he's really cute, but I love this. And then this one is Autumn Creativity Challenge. They might be all the same, I'm not really sure, but I love this unique touch to her covers. Okay, and then here's the back side. They all have like a fun quote to them. A lot of them are quoted from some Halloween time movies, and I think they're more on like the Not So Scary movies, but I think she said this one is from Hocus Pocus. So that is the fall one. So cute. And again, it comes with the matching disc, and I think each pack is 11 in case you misplace one. Yeah, so each planner requires 10 discs, and I think you get 11 just in case you lose one. But how fun are these? These definitely give me Halloween vibes. They give me Tim Burton vibes. I think this is just perfect for this time of year and super fun. I haven't really seen anything like this, and it doesn't have like a cutout or anything. And once you have them on your planner, I think it just looks so cool. Okay, so that's the cover. And then let's talk about the divider kits. Sets. So if you guys saw my last video, you know that each divider kit comes with tab stickers, which is really great. So you have your divider tab stickers, and they're 2 different ones. So this one's more of a category, and then this is your months, and then they're in different fonts, and these are clear. So I love that. And I opted to get the spooky version, but I'm definitely gonna order the fall one as well because I think this spooky set matches the other 2 color covers, which is like the purple and the black and orange. It gives it more of a spooky vibe, but if you love this one that's the fall, I would definitely get the fall divider sets. But I'm gonna get the other one because I want both. So this is the spooky one. And you see that it has kind of like the Disney vibe to it, because again, she loves Disney. And then it has like a quote, the most spooky time of the year. Look at this font. I think that's so cool. And I love like this smoky blue background. And here's another quote. I think this set had a lot more quotes than the other one. That's why I kind of wanted the other one, because it had more imagery. I'm not always a big fan of quotes, but I do like them every now and then. And then there's another quote on this side. Again, they're by some movies. And then here's this one. This one's kind of cool. This says the daily grind. It just has a mixture of different spooky things. Again, this one's the spookier version. So if this is not your style, definitely go for the fall one. And then we have another quote on this side. And then we have this spooky image, which is my favorite. I like this more, again, than the quotes. So I didn't get to see the release reveal until after. So I definitely would have opted for the fall dividers. But nonetheless, I really like some of the images in this one. Like I Put a Spell on You, that one's super cute. It's very known. I love the whole potion vibe, gives me Hocus Pocus. And this one's super cute because it reminds me of Disney. So that is the spooky divider set with your 2 stickers. And then here's the fall cover. And then you get 2 deco sheets. And then all the fun kits. And then the discs always come with whatever cover you get. And I'm going to set this aside so we can go over the budget challenge. If that's something that interests you, if you are a budget planner, this may be something that you might want to pick up as well. So this is a 40-page budget tracking challenge. And it's already punched out for you. Again, this is for the daily grind, which is 10 discs. This is the inserts. It's all black and white. And it does have a intro page for you guys to follow along. I'm not going to really read through all of this, but again, she does have a live telling you about this challenge. I think that's kind of neat. I'm definitely going to look over this because I always need a budget tracking system. That's something that I'm not really good at. So I love a good challenge. So you have like this challenge prep, budget tracking categories. Lots of little notes. They're really great on giving you really informative information. That's what I really love about the daily grind. They're really, really helpful in that area. So then you have like your blank pages here. Gather from last month reviews of expenses and earnings. Again, this is for a month. And then you have your month of review. And you can definitely take stickers and highlighters. I do have the highlighter collection, the 12-piece, that's the dual tip pastel set. I shared this in my last unboxing. And this is such a great value for 2 highlighter sets in different colors. So you can definitely use this on her pages. And then they do have the pens, which I really love. They're super, super smooth and very opaque. And they're just a really great gel pen. If you're looking for something that has a range of color, I would definitely pick these up. These are so worth it. And they're in a 0.5. Okay, so I'm just gonna like flip through this, but you guys get an idea if this is something that you're interested in with the budget challenge. I'll try to look into this more and do this in my free time, but I think this is neat that they offer things like this. I'm trying to look into their blueprint. That's more up my alley, but as far as like budgeting, I don't do a whole lot of this, but I really think this is something great, especially if you're going to go wild or if you do a lot of vacations or if you like to travel. I think this is something that you could use in your setup. So that is the budget tracking challenge. So the last thing I want to do before we wrap up this video, I wanted to hop on and share with you what is releasing today. I just think it's a great fall collection and you don't want to miss out, especially if you're loving the daily grind system. So now I just kind of want to set this one up since, you know, we're rolling into the fall. And I'm just going to take this one apart, switch out the covers. This one's called Reading Nook, I think, and that's her little puppy dog. His name's Carl. So cute. Again, this was like a 30-day productivity challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I've swapped out the disc and the cover and I put in the dividers for each month. Now, if you didn't check out that last unboxing video of the summer collection and a flip through of this daily planner system, it is a 4-month undated planner, so it is pretty thick. So with the disc bound system though, you can customize it. You can take out 2 months and only have 2 months at a time if this is something that you want to try out. Again, the dividers come undated and she gives you all those extra labels for the dividers, but I have everything in here so you guys can get a look at an idea with the entire 4 months in here plus the dividers. It's a sturdy planner, really sturdy planner. It's really great quality. I think on the dividers though, I think they could be maybe a little bit thicker because they kind of wear and tear a little bit. Mine were a little bit wear and tear. That's probably because the way they were packaged. I feel like with paper you need to package something that's a little sturdier because that might have been how this was wearing and tearing a little bit through the mail. But other than that, everything's great. But just to let you know that this paper is super thick, really great quality, so there's like no bleed through. So that's another reason why this is pretty thick. But again, if this is too thick for you or too heavy for you, definitely just do 2 months at a time. I think she does have filler paper that you can order, so you could always just have like a notes section in the back. But I just love the feel of this in my hands. It's a really like good thick cover, and her clip-in covers is what she calls them. They're really easy. I'm super impressed because when I first got these, I thought they were going to be a little bit harder to snap in, but surprisingly, they're super easy. And look at those discs. That is so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and small setup of the new Not So Scary collection by The Daily Grind. Definitely check out the links down below to shop and make your purchase. So also use the code Sarah to save you 10% off your order. But thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.